We are back at Nishimuraya Honkan, the famed Ryokan in Kinosaki Onsen in Hyogo Prefecture. And just walking down the hallway, enjoying some of the antiques on display. But the purpose is to take a look at the room, which we're staying at for the first time here. Last year we stayed at Kiri No Ma, but we are now splurging in the top room at Nishimuraya Honkan called Horai No Ma, which is room 55. So without further ado, let's go inside and take a look. This is on the upper floor, and I don't know what the exact square footage or square meterage is, but it is it's relatively new, and I've been told the most spacious. So this is I don't know what this is. This is a Western style seating area, seated by my loved ones. This is where we came from. And this is the main living room. Now this is their top category, top room, tokubetsu shitsu. But one thing it doesn't have that Kiri No Ma did was that Kiri No Ma, being by virtue of being on the first floor and having access to immediate access facing the inner garden, which is absolutely stunning. So you had that going for Kiri No Ma. So this does not have that.ね、霧の間は庭がパーってあったけど、これはないね。So that's the one, I guess, drawback, if you will. I would consider it that because, well, that's a beautiful thing. Right. And there's some kind of the maple leaves showing some nice colors of the foliage. Back there, right, and then here is this is the toilet, and then this is the sink. And here's the bath and shower area. So, shower. It is open air, which is a plus or minus. It's freezing cold. You'll probably be tempted to jump in here before taking a shower. So, got a great smell of the hinoki wood. Now, this is one thing to note, and I mentioned this during our last visit of the Kiri No Ma room tour, is that there's a rule in Kinosaki Onsen area where you cannot have, no property can have natural hot spring baths in the room. And so maybe it's to conserve the communal hot springs, onsen, that the whole area contracts to get. from the source. Not sure. But you have to go to either the Dairyokujo, which is the communal baths at Nishimuraya Honkan, or a private rental bath. I think they have something like that. Or you just need to go outside of Kinosaki Onsen, where there are 7 famous public baths. And if you stay at some of the finer ryokans, like the one here, you can get a pass that'll allow you to check out the 7 public baths, which are very historic and each have their own character. So anyways, this is Horai No Ma at Nishimuraya Honkan. And dozo. Oh, and then looks like the welcome tea. Yes. So we have dozo.去年もこれだったね、お菓子。おそらく。
はい、こちら城崎銘菓のだんじり太鼓と温かいおもちでご用意しております。
なんていうお菓子でしたっけ？
だんじり太鼓。
だんじり太鼓。
はい。だんじりって言ったら。
So that's the name of the treat?
そこの名前がね。そうなんですね。この地域にもだんじりがございます。秋祭りでよくだんじりを弾いております。はい。そうでございます。できてんの。はい。でそちらも城崎ではずっと昔からあるお祭りで、この城崎このメーカー、こちらも城崎といえばだんじりで、ずっと昔からあるお菓子です。ちょっと掛け合わせて。そうですか、そうですか。こちら丹波黒豆を使ったおかきでございます。
丹波黒豆おかき。So this is crackers made from black beans from 丹波ですね。ありがとうございます。名前何でしたっけ？夏美さん。Thank you。ありがとうございます。いただきます。蓬莱の間 at 西村屋本館。